Okay. Okay. Wel- welcome back. Let me hope we are all doing well, and we are back with our analysis. Let me share the link to our brothers. Can we proceed? Okay, I think let's proceed. Let's start. Aliko, let me know if my sound is okay. Let me know if my sound is clear, my brother, such that we can start. Let me know if my sound is okay. And the NFP is remaining with almost minutes now. So something like 56 minutes to go, because it has been somehow. Actually, I decided to start it earlier such that I can explain each and everything needed. Are we together? Yesterday we last talked when I was analyzing this. I don't know. Is my sound okay? And is my picture quality okay? Yes, Jack Slayer. Ogamboti. Is my sound okay? I think it's okay. Sound clear. Kale, tusabule. And sharing it on Telegram, we proceed. We are going to analyze this. Tugenda kubeera more precise and brief. Tetugenda kulandaganya nnyo. I'm not okay. Tugenda kulandaganya nnyo. Let me hope all my niggas are okay. Mulisted ennyo. Eh? Okay, sound clean. Discovery Studio. Let's proceed, I think. Ndowooza yesterday twatunuddeko nga tulaba oba twasembyeyo okulaba nga NFP gwe twabadde naye yabadde somehow rogue. Okay? Information gye twabadde nayo teyabadde all that clear. But the only thing we had to do, all we have to do is tugenda tunulira leero tugenda kwesa mataf. We are going to use both mataf and investing.com. Tugenda kwesa mataf ne investing.com such that we can analyze abantu abasinga kye namaze otegeera tebakya differentiating honestly between even anyway. Closing eno we use a disk Chrome because eyinza okubeera mu kumulamwa for today. We are using investing.com and mataf. Investing.com economic calendar. Together with mataf because today I'm not saagala mataf. Siri kwagala ate nzira awo. I don't want to make things hectic. Now this is mataf. We're looking at the global financial view. I don't know whether my account is still in this thing. It's not, but we shall use the available settings. Screen. This is USD, this is Euro. Okay? This is USD and the other one is Euro. Okay? So, this is a 5 minutes time frame. Let's switch to a 1 hour time frame. The US index. Now, this is Japan. To those ones who are going to be trading Japanese yen, you can see that the index is really bullish. Actually, it wants to go higher. Just that. Are we together? The index is really strong and it wants to go. So here we are going to be looking at this US dollar and it has over been devaluing. Otunuulira ku analysis, dollar devaluing okutuuka ku bbanga lya something like 10 years back from to note embanga seerabidde we tugenda wano eno current dollar rate in Uganda. This has never happened. Right now, eri mu 324. Now, this has ever happened. All it happened 10 years back. Are we together? It happened something like 10 years back for this thing to happen. So, ekitegeeza Ugandan shilling webanga eriku strengthening against the dollar each and every day, which means Uganda is some of the best performing economies within East Africa or within Africa currently. Most people are yearning to invest in Uganda. But what does it imply? Tuli kutunulira ku dollar, fete tuli kutunulira ku Ugandan shilling. Dollar yakoze ki? Dollar yetulese waneno. Let me ndabe bano aba TikTok oba enaakola weetaakolenga ebyo nabyo tubiggala tetujja kwesumbuwanga jjo. So that's it. Are we together? Bwe kityo bwe kikola ki? Bwe kityo bwe kiri. We are looking at the economic calendar. Economic calendar yange eri kulwawo gira. It's delaying to respond. Kigomeremu katini. But we are proceeding. We are proceeding. Uganda waneno. Abala was explaining here yesterday. This bank thing. Because bank ye backbone ya buli kimu. Namba sharing the screen yange ya trading vyo simanyo ba mujiraba. Everything starts with the bank because bank, central bank, you're determining a rates. Era central bank webanga eriko obuzibu katunga right now we are looking at Fed. If Fed is facing challenges, all technical challenges, am I clear? So if we are looking at Fed, all technical challenges are caused by the central bank. Okay? Central bank ye causinga buli kimu. Era wanene wemba ndi kulaga nti central bank weba nti yebaga interest rates. Ekitegeeza economy okutandika okuperforminga it starts with the interest rates. Are we together? So now, nabade ndi banyonyola those ones who were live yesterday. I was explaining about this graph. All I was explaining about the thing. The NFP, unemployment rate and average hourly earnings. Okitegeera. Nabade mbanyonyola average hourly earnings ne NFP. Average hourly earnings wozigatako unemployment rate. You get the answer automatically. You understand? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let it first load. Then, this is what will happen. If, let's say, we have reduced on our labor force. Let's say we have reduced on our labor force. Are we together? Let me first stream for these guys. We have reduced on our labor force. What will happen? Let's say you're working for a certain company. They have a total of almost 20,000 workers. Okay? They have a total of 20,000 workers. I wish together. We are going slowly. Basaba mukakane tuligenda maliriza. Just adding another stream somewhere. Okay, I think it's done. Njagala to explain nga sources zonna zifuna munansonyiwa. Munsonyiwe baganda bange. I'm so sorry. If I'm delaying the process, I'm so sorry, my brothers. So, okay. I don't know. Okay, I think now we are live, each and every side, everywhere. Now let's proceed peacefully, mumirembe. Now, kakati ekintu kiri kimu. When we are looking at the NFP news, if we are analyzing NFP, we are looking at several factors. And most people who are less informed, let me say like that, they're looking at a lot of things, looking at sentimental analysis, each and everything. Nebitagasa, byonna byonna nga bakola ki? Babitunulako. Lero tuyinza kukola Luganda ne Luzungu. You understand? But the main issue is, I told you, before we gauge the CPI or before we gauge the health of an economy, we are first looking at the average hourly earnings and unemployment rate. Why am I saying so? Because these things start with the interest rates. Are we together? Everything starts with the interest rates. Are we together? Everything starts with the interest rates. Because it's the central bank, now we are talking of the Fed, which decides each and everything. Let's say you are doing what? You have a company and your workforce, you were something like 5,000 workers at your company. Are we together? Let's say you were 5,000 workers at your company. Now, this is what will happen if unemployment, actually, if they had on average hourly earnings. The moment you see that they have increased on your average hourly earnings, just know they have reduced on some other workers, leaving behind skilled workers. Are we together? How does this affect the economy? Because you will not know or you will not understand why or how it is affecting the economy, because you're just a worker. Oliawo we just cholinze. Oli kwagala bakuwe salary amala. They're increasing on your salary, not knowing indirectly that mulimu banno be bagobye. Okitegeera. Now, let's say nabadde waneno nkibawa. Let's say you have been working for 13 hours a day. You have been working for 13 hours a day. What will happen if we are to increase on the average hourly earnings, which means you're going to start working for 16 hours a day? To our brothers who are abroad, they understand this. Nti basobola okutuuka ne bakugamba increase on your workforce. To those ones who are working in other companies, and even I think within Uganda is still there. They can tell you increase on your what? Your working hours. What will happen if you increase on your working hours? Of course, they will increase on your salary because one nobody kuleka over skilled workers. Are we together? They're dealing with skilled workers. Let's say you're a video editor, you're a camera person, you're what? When you do everything, when you're one money army, they leave you to work for their company and they first dissect. These ones who are less skilled, banene abajja okuyigira ku mulimu, nja yigira ku mulimu. Abasooka ne babagoba. Are we together? Ekitegeeza abo babagoba, it will automatically create a lot of unemployment because remember, more people who are skilled, there are few. Skilled labor is less. Are we together? Skilled labor force is less. Now, what will happen? They lay off workers and automatically it will lead to unemployment rates. If the unemployment rates increase, what will happen? This will force the Fed to rethink its policies. Era waneno bajja kukolerawo advancements mu policies zaabwe. These Fed guys. Are we together? Kino ekintu kikola wonna. Kikola ki? Kikola wonna. It's just a matter of okutegeera how does the scope move or how does the scope work. I'm waiting for your questions in the comment section. Each and everyone who is interested, you can put in your question in the comment section. You can put in your comment in the comment section. I don't know, you guys, whether I am anticipating a buy or a sell on this NFP. Let's vote here. Let's join. Those ones on YouTube, the poll has started. So, when we are analyzing NFP, these are the only factors we think about. Now, this is what happened. We want to walabye NFP, actually NFP, month over month. Obanga walabye NFP ya month over month, abali ku TikTok, I can't share investing.com. Sobola basharingira laba analysis. Looking at